there! You might be wondering, what am I up to this time around? Well, I'm just gonna tell you right away. And before I give you all the full details, let me once again welcome all of you to this channel. Thank you so much for staying here with us, for those who are subscribed, and for those who are yet to be subscribed. Thank you too for always watching our videos. Those are patronizing us. Thank you for your patronage. And for those who are yet to patronize us, well, we're looking forward to having you in the fold. For those who are yet to subscribe, please do so right now. I mean, we have a lot of higher percentage of people who watch our videos but they are yet to be subscribed. Please do so. We want you to be part of this community in Naija Realty 24/7. Now, my name is Goodness Usman, your Fab Lady Realtor for Naija Realty 24/7, and of course the queen of landlord makers. Yes, back to the information that I just read right now that is quite exciting. Ladies and gentlemen, I remember very well at the end of June, yes, precisely 29th and 30th, I have quite a number of people who tried to reach out to me, even though I wasn't feeling very strong because of my sick bed, but a lot reached out to me about CITY Waterfront 2.0. They wanted to know if they will still be giving an extension so that they can be part of the 50% discount for early bird investors. And at that time, I had to tell everyone who reached out that no, after 30th, according to the company, no further extension will be given. However, I'm here to retract that statement, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, you know, over the years, I've learned that this kind of opportunities are rare. It's just in a few cases you see these things happen. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm fully here to inform everyone who has the intention to own a piece of CITY Waterfront in Agbe, Ibeju-lekki, Lagos, Nigeria, that yes, between now that you're watching this video to 14th of July, you still have the opportunity to partake in the early bird 50% discount. Now, after 14th, there won't be a third opportunity, okay? There's not going to be a second time extension. So you all who have this opportunity should come and grab it now. So let me give you a full detail of what this discount is so that you can get to understand it fully. So let's go see our very last video when we were on site, shall we?
Season officially, we've entered into the rainy season where we are going to have a downfall every day. I mean, it's been literally raining in Lagos 7 days non-stop, and we have to do what we got to do. We really cannot stop working because it's raining, right? Anyways, you already can see this right now. Today, we're launching a new property in the market, and I'm excited about this one in Ibeju-lekki. It's a waterfront property. So hey, I won't be able to give you guys too many details, but let's go. I'm just going to show you guys what we go through sometimes just to do what? Just to get you guys the great investments that will help you grow your network. So now, let's go see what we have right now. I mean, unfortunately, before we head out, it wasn't raining, but when we got to site, it's already raining heavily. So, but we came prepared, right? You can see that we came prepared. Anyway, everybody came prepared. I mean, look at me. What are you talking about? It's the rainy season now. Let's go see what we got. But trust me, it's gonna be whole worth it. Trust me when I tell you, this investment is worth it. See, stick around to the end of the video, by the way. I'll see you at the end. Let's go. 2 weeks ago, thereabout, this property was introduced into the market. And some days after, the company had decided to start running a promo for early birth investor. Now, this is one of its kind because in all of my years on the job, I've not seen anyone truly offer 50% discount. So, I thought about it. How fantastic is this? You get to buy as an early bird on the introductory price, and you're getting huge 50% discount just between now and the end of the month of June. Wow! Truly, this is a proof that an early bird investor has a whole lot of advantage. In fact, in this case, you're having more advantage as an early bird investor. I will always ask a question, and here I want to ask you, why aren't you taking advantage of this early bird instant massive gain? Truly, this is huge. Some of you will be wondering, what is she talking about? Where is she? Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to City Waterfront in Ibeju-lekki. Yes, like I said, we have a promo running currently and you get 50% discount. Now, we introduced it at 4 million naira per plot of 500 square meter, and which you can spread your payment across 6 months without interest. That is for the 500 square meters. Now, for the 300 square meter, when we introduced into the market, of course, 300 was not available. However, now, due to popular demand, 300 is available at 2.8 million naira only for the introductory price. Now, let's talk about the price of the promo. During this promo, you're buying the 300 square meter for 1.4 million naira. Now, this is the interesting part for me. Whether you're buying the 300 square meter for 1.4 million naira or the 500 square meter for 2 million naira, you can deposit 500,000 naira and spread your payment across 6 months. Oh my God. Not just because you can spread it across 6 months, you're doing 6 months without interest, meaning your 1.4 million naira the balance can be spread across 6 months. That is so easy. Something like we say easy peasy, right? Exactly. Because if you're buying the full plot for 2 million naira, you deposit 500,000 and then you can pay your balance of 1.5 million naira within 6 months. So you have now till December to finish up your payment. Trust me, this is very, very easy. Welcome back. So yes, you've seen, you've heard, and now is the time for you, yes, you watching me, to come reserve your own plots. Honestly, like I said in the video, this is a very amazing, great offer. 50%. And what interests me furthermore is the fact that this 2 million naira is all inclusive. You're not paying any kobo extra and you're getting your allocation at the same time. In fact, paper allocations will start almost immediately and it will be done in batches before the physical allocation. So this means that for this investment, you're going to be getting your surveys and deed way before you get your physical land allocation. And that is also a good one because your documentation is with you. So thinking about investing, owning this and thinking about the safety, one thing I can guarantee you, because I see some people have this fears, oh, this is an untitled land in Ibeju-lekki. Now, one of the guarantee I want to give to you is the fact that the owner of this property, Gracias Global,
are one of the very few companies who are very intentional about perfecting title in Lagos. So you can invest here and go to sleep. Coming from me, goodness this one. All right, guys, remember the extension date is up to 14th of July, which is just a few days to go actually. So how about you stop watching the video now and get on board with your reservation? You can either pay your 2 million naira ones, or you buy in the name of your kids, or pay 500,000 initial deposit and spread your payment across 6 months without interest. And of course, you can go all the way to 1 year, but with 500,000 naira as interest, which makes so easy. 2 million to 4 million naira. What's it gonna be? Now you have the opportunity of 2 million over 4 million naira. I think you should grab it with your full hands right now. And don't grab it alone. Grab it alongside with your kids, your spouse, and your friends, and also your family members. Gift it to someone today, and they will thank you for doing so. Thank you so much. I am here, myself and my team, and are ready. We will be delighted to help you make your reservations and become a proud landowner inside CITY Waterfront 2.0 in Ibeju-lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So I'll be waiting for your call. Until then, please ensure that you watching me, you remain safe and awesome just the way you are. So I say to you guys, what?